according to Omdia's annual Decision Maker Survey, Don, a couple of fairly interesting statistics emerged. As you are aware, the survey goes out to about 1,000 IT decision makers worldwide. And for me, one of the starkest statistic that emerged was that only 11% of organizations can reliably account for 100% of their data. Given that you can't protect what you don't know you have, that statistic is fairly alarming. It intimates really that there aren't enough organizations that know enough about the data that they're using, much less than can then go and sort of protect it in the right way. I guess in the face of things like the ever increasing threat landscape, the regulatory requirement around better hygiene around data security, and of course then we've got AI, which is potentially going to be creating vast amounts of increased data. Another statistic from the survey sort of compounds the problem in many ways. 91% of organizations deploying or thinking about deploying AI in their infrastructure. It suggests that there's an awful lot of organizations that don't know what they're plugging into their AI environment. It's alarming, isn't it? What's the view in terms of the identity management side of things?
Yeah, I mean, from that same survey, one of the sort of key standout results was around non-human identities. It found that 60% of respondents were not confident about securing non-human identities. I mean, that just sort of tells me that there's still lots and lots of work to be done around this area. And also, it's like an exploding area. I mean, last year in our research, we found that for every one human identity, there was around 50. By the end of next year, it'll be over 100. So it's an exploding area that we need to double down and do work in. And then if you sort of couple that with another stat from the same survey around AI agents, we found that there are currently 84% of respondents found that they're either currently using or planning to use AI agents in the next 12 to 18 months. Again, lots of work to do around that, but for me, it's the critical part is how do you secure these AI agents? I'd suggest a multi-layered approach to doing it. There's no single silver bullet. Stuff like fine-grained authorization, just-in-time privilege, principal beliefs privilege, continuous authentication. They're just sort of some of the things that are top of mind to me at the moment. What about you? Any other sort of comments around this area or trends?
Well, it's certainly a complicated world, isn't it? I guess the need for clarity is key. What can end users or vendors do to learn more in this particular complicated domain?
Yeah, basically for more information, please get in touch. And thanks for your time.